Good morning here, and we will now discuss adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives or pang-uri are modifiers. They describe a person, place, thing, or idea. As parts of speech, they modify nouns and pronouns. So, the order of adjectives include number, few, many, one, opinion, smartest, kindest, size, large, small, medium, extra large, age, young, old, shape, circular, rectangular, origin, American, Filipino, Vietnamese, some material, ceramic, glass, tin, plastic. What proper nouns are also considered proper adjectives? Paul, Pauline, America, American, Cambodia, Cambodian, Asia, Asian, Thailand, Thai. So, the degree of adjectives I compare compares two or more people, places, things, or ideas. We have the comparative and the superlative. The comparative is used to compare two people, places, things, or ideas, while the superlative compares more than two people. And here now are some examples of the degree of adjectives. And here are but some examples of adjectives: smart, pretty, relaxed, caring, sweet, sincere, blooming, diligent, beautiful.